What is up, YouTube? My name is Aaron with All Three Pools and ICF Guru, and I was going to show you guys this pool today that we built. It's a commercial pool at an apartment complex we built in just over 3 working weeks. It's been obviously middle of winter. It's Element ICF and Renolit PVC membrane for a finish. We just filled it up yesterday, February 13th. We broke ground right about Christmas. When I said in a video yesterday that we built it in 3 weeks, understand I was in Orange County over New Year's doing a consultation. Then we got it dug out, we got the floor poured, and then basically my whole crew went to World of Concrete. We were there for a week. The day we got back, the blizzard hit. We had about 10 days with 8 inches of snow on the ground. And then right about the time we were gonna get blessed with some really nice winter weather, almost 70 degrees all week, we had a training event last week. So all these things have been hitting, yet my guys still managed to get this thing done in about 20 working days, a little less than 20 working days. So just kind of showing you guys what's possible. This is a 50,000 gallon, roughly 30 by 60. Obviously it's got some nuances, some ins and outs. But this is the kind of stuff we teach you guys to do in training, guys. We have 2 Renolit trainings. One's coming up just next week, and then another one, I think, in April, and we may be adding a date in March just to kind of keep the ball rolling in the Renolit world. This is actually just a basic relief pattern, meaning it's still got the texture and the anti-slip, and it meets reflectivity codes for commercial pools, but it's not as fancy as the residential membranes that we use that have a printing on them that make them really, really gorgeous. It's just a blue. There's about 4 colors that meet the reflectivity pattern or index that allow you to use them in commercial pools. This one's going to be saltwater. It's got LED lights. It's got the works, but it's not overly fancy on the equipment side. There's no need to automate this pool to a crazy degree, given that they have a full-time maintenance person here that, you know, will be flipping them on and off and doing all that. But anyway, guys, we do have another pool training coming up, doing stuff like this in late March. I think the 26th or so of March. You can go to all3pools.com to see those dates. You can also email Patrick at support@all3pools.com. He's really good at getting you all the information quickly. But it's really cool that we got to get this thing done in the winter. Usually it needs to be like 50 degrees to put a membrane in, and we had great weather all week. Yesterday, we were all in t-shirts kind of burning up, and then, you know, you get that kind of weather in February, you kind of pay the price. So it's windy, rainy right now, but we got this one squeezed in. We break ground on the next pool Monday, and then some stuff after that. I'm also going to do a little crawl space foundation with FabForm and Element products, just to kind of give you guys some fresh content in that vein. I think insulated conditioned crawl spaces are a no-brainer if you're doing a crawl space, and we haven't got to do a lot of video like that in several years because we don't do a lot of that kind of work anymore. But this one's a really good opportunity to squeeze a little job like that in just for content's sake. So anyway, guys, as always, check out all3pools.com for all of our upcoming stuff. We got some super cool content coming up. Our warehouse is getting ready to break ground, at least on the road, and then sky's the limit from there, guys. I will see you next week.